Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and get started setting up fiscal positions on Odoo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you're not already. So if you do not already have it open, go right there and this is going to open up this main page right here. From there in the upper right corner, we can get started with signing up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just go ahead and log in normally. From where you can get started accessing this main page. And now we can get started with opening up the official odoo.com documentation page, where as you can see we have this fiscal positions of article from where you can get started with implementing them into our website. So how to go ahead and use and configure the fiscal position. So you're going to have tax and account mapping. So to edit to create a fiscal position, you're going to go to accounting and open up configuration and fiscal positions and open the entry you want to modify or click create. So you need to have a store website that you can use accounting, and you need to have the accounting app installed right here from the configuration tab, opening up the apps and installing it. Once you've done that, you can click on settings, and from settings you're going to go ahead and access the configuration just like I did right here and get started following the rest of the steps right here. So you're going to go to odoo.com documentation, find this article right here and follow the rest of the steps to install it for your store website. As currently I do not have a store website, cannot show you the direct steps, but it's all explained right here nicely. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.